McLaren, renowned for pushing the boundaries of automotive innovation, is set to redefine the landscape of high-performance hybrid supercars with the anticipated release of the McLaren Artura Redesign concept in 2025. The Artura, already a pinnacle of engineering excellence, is poised to receive a transformative update that combines cutting-edge technology with the brand's relentless pursuit of speed and style. In this article, we explore the highly anticipated features and enhancements that will define the McLaren Artura Redesign concept for 2025. Exterior dynamics. The exterior design of the 2025 McLaren Artura Redesign concept is expected to build upon the Artura's already distinctive and aerodynamic profile. While the iconic dihedral doors and low-slung silhouette remain, the redesign may introduce subtle refinements to enhance aerodynamic efficiency and visual appeal. Expect advanced materials such as carbon fiber to be employed, not just for weight reduction, but to underscore the Artura's commitment to performance and craftsmanship. Innovative materials and construction. McLaren's dedication to lightweight construction and advanced materials is a defining characteristic, and the 2025 Artura is likely to uphold and advance this tradition. Carbon fiber, aluminum, and other high-strength materials may be intricately woven into the vehicle's chassis to ensure a perfect balance of strength, agility, and fuel efficiency. The use of advanced materials will contribute not only to the supercar's performance, but also to its overall durability and driving dynamics. Technological integration. The McLaren Artura Redesign concept for 2025 is set to be a technological marvel, integrating cutting-edge features to redefine the driving experience. Inside the cockpit, a futuristic digital dashboard and a state-of-the-art infotainment system are expected to take center stage. Advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control and collision avoidance systems, may be incorporated to enhance both safety and performance. Luxurious and driver-focused interior. Step inside the 2025 McLaren Artura, and you can expect a luxurious and driver-focused interior that seamlessly merges comfort with performance. The interior may feature premium materials, customizable ambient lighting, and meticulously crafted surfaces, creating an environment that reflects McLaren's commitment to opulence. Ergonomic seating configurations, advanced climate control systems, and a driver-centric cockpit design will contribute to an immersive and exhilarating driving experience. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the Artura Redesign concept lies a powertrain that's likely to redefine the supercar experience. While retaining the signature McLaren V6 hybrid powertrain, the 2025 Artura may introduce enhancements for improved power delivery, efficiency, and acceleration. Advanced suspension systems, active aerodynamics, and precision-tuned handling characteristics are expected to elevate the Artura's performance to new heights, ensuring it remains a force to be reckoned with on both the road and the track. Environmental considerations. As environmental sustainability becomes an increasingly crucial focus in the automotive industry, the 2025 McLaren Artura Redesign concept is expected to address these concerns. This could involve further refining the hybrid powertrain for increased efficiency and reduced emissions. McLaren may also incorporate advanced energy recuperation systems and explore eco-friendly materials to align with the brand's commitment to sustainability. Conclusion. The McLaren Artura Redesign concept for 2025 represents a groundbreaking evolution in the realm of high-performance hybrid supercars. With a redesigned exterior that enhances aerodynamics and visual appeal, a technologically advanced interior that prioritizes driver experience, and a powertrain that seamlessly combines performance with efficiency, the Artura is set to redefine the standards in its category. As McLaren continues to push the boundaries of automotive engineering and design, the 2025 Artura stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation, speed, and luxury. Enthusiasts and supercar connoisseurs can look forward to a new era in the storied history of the Artura, where performance meets artistry and cutting-edge technology harmonizes with the thrill of the open road. The road ahead is exhilarating, and the 2025 McLaren Artura is poised to lead the charge into the future of automotive excellence.